Hi, welcome to Final Cut. Today I'm going to explain you how to send a case. So first of all, if you don't have already an account, we have to create one. So let's click on the icon located on the top right. Click on Create Account. And here we are gonna fill out all of this information. Let's start from the first name. John, last name, Rosenstein. Company is Dent Evo. It's a dental laboratory. License 1588742. The states where the lab is located and the license is registered, which is Florida. The email, dentevo@dentevooffice.com, and our password. Once everything is filled out correctly, we can click on Create and we're going to receive a welcome email.